Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to explain another topic from your Pakistan study book, and the chapter is History of Pakistan, chapter number 4. And today's topic is Pak India War 1965. First, come to the background. The Pak India War of 1965 was actually started from the area of Run of Kutch on 19th April 1965, when some of the Pakistani Rangers were attacked by Indian forces, and due to this attack these Pakistani Rangers were died. In response, in the same year, in the April, the Run of Kutch area, there was a great border war between the forces of Pakistan and India, and then resultantly Pakistan army got vacated all these areas from Indian army occupied by them. As you know, at that time the area of Run Kutch was disputed area. So on June 30, 1965, an agreement was signed between Pakistan and India with the help of United Kingdom, and that is how the issue of Run Kutch was peacefully resolved on June 30, 1965. And as a result of this dispute or agreement, the 350 square mile of area that was given to Pakistan, which was the total area of 10%. Then in Kashmir, on the borders of Kashmir, Indian government blamed that Pakistani raiders are busy in secret activities in Kashmir, and they started shelling from artillery on the borders of Pakistan and Kashmir near Gujarat. On 5th of August 1965, in response, Pakistani army crossed line of control. And then in reaction to decrease the pressure, India attacked the Pakistani borders in the area of Sialkot, Kasur and Lahore at night of 6 September 1965. And that is how the war of 1965 was started. The war continued for 17 days, and in this war of 17 days, army of land means the land army and the air army and naval forces of both the countries were involved. Now, how the war was stopped? To stop the war, UN and Soviet Union played its role. First, the UN arbitrated, and with the help of United Nations organization on 23rd of September 1965, the fire was seized. And then Soviet Union, today known as Russia, they arbitrated, and with the help of Soviet Union, an accord was signed between India and Pakistan with the name of Tashkent Accord, because that accord was signed in the city of Uzbekistan. That's why it is known as Tashkent Accord in January 1966. This accord was signed, as you know, between India and Pakistan. At that time, the President of Pakistan was Ayub Khan and Prime Minister of India was Lal Bahadur Shastri. That meeting continued from 6th to 10th January 1966. All the mutual disputes were tried to resolve through this Tashkent Accord. Especially, it was also decided to solve the Kashmir issue. As a result of this war, both nations declared victory, and ceasefire line was drawn with the help of United Nations resolution, and no permanent territorial change occurred. Now, at the conclusion of the war, many Pakistanis considered the performance of their military to be positive. 6th September is celebrated as Defense Day in Pakistan in commemoration of the successful defense of Lahore against the Indian Army. The performance of Pakistan Air Force in particular was praised. So that was all about the Pak India War of 1965.